How to crop video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type CapCut. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on CapCut and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now tap on Edit at the bottom left corner. Now tap on New Project. Now select your video. Now simply tap on Add. Now select the clip. Now scroll to the right. Now tap on Transform. Now here you can find an option for resize. Simply tap on the resize button at the bottom right corner. Now adjust the video size. You can also choose different aspect ratio. Now tap on tick icon at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.